In the morning, take a little time to yourself, 15, 20 minutes. Do some meditation, calm your breathing. Give thanks for the journey. That's what I do every race morning. I chant my prayers for protection. And I would just play that, the Nishringa Kavacham. You know, you're going in the elements, man. And you got the water, you got the road, the wind. He protects souls on the path.
It's part of who you are. It's your story. Very proud of you.
It's time for you to man up. To once and for all, tell your mind who the fuck is boss.
If you never push yourself in life like this, then you kind of miss out.
You have a worldwide audience right now that's inspired by you. So that's why you must finish.
You'll be coming through that finisher chute. You would have had all of these things that you would have thought about that seems so intense, and then it's gone. We'll never get that back. You'll never be able to hold on to that exact moment again.
In 2001, I nearly died from a heroin overdose. That's why I'm dedicating my very first Ironman race to help those similarly addicted by raising money for Addaction, one of the UK's leading mental health, drug, and alcohol charities. Thank you.